Is Harry Styles gonna be a dad? Hey guys, Sarah Zendenom here with RumorFix.com. Not just yet. He revealed a pregnancy scare to UK's OK magazine after he lost his virginity, saying, "The first time I had sex, I was scared I got the girl pregnant. That was despite the fact that we were safe. Luckily, we were fine. To get lazy and say you'll be fine is selfish. I'd never risk not wearing a condom. It's too much of a risk. You can say it'll never happen to you, but I bet most people it happens to say that. If you're not ready for a child, then don't risk it. It's better to be safe than sorry." Be sure to check out RumorFix.com for your celebrity news all day, every day.